Hello everyone, welcome to EduTech. And guys, talking about the topics of the day that I will be discussing with you, they are very important topics because a Tele-Manas initiative has been launched, which is a component under the National Telehealth Mission, which was launched during the Union Budget this year. Then the second topic that I will be discussing today is the Swastik program, which was again being highlighted a lot of time at the Ayush at the rate 2047 conclave, which was being conducted by Ministry of Ayush. So there, this initiative was being highlighted here. So today's guys we will be discussing these two topics. Okay, but before discussing the topic, guys, I just wanted to give you a glimpse of these important books that we have prepared for you. Yes, guys, we have prepared the comprehensive guidebooks for you in which all the doubts that you have in your mind. ठीक है, क्या क्या चीजें होती है? What is the exam pattern? In how many phases the exam will be conducted? What are the best sources that you should prepare? What is the syllabus of this examination? The things for which you are searching on different platforms, you can get all this information in just this single guidebooks. Important than that, what will be your role, what will be your salary, these things are also being mentioned. And along with that, सबसे important क्या है आपका, आपको एक guidance formula भी चाहिए होता है कि how I can perform better, what are the sources I should follow. These things all are given here. 6-step guidance formula has been given here. What are the sources that you should follow? Each and every information has been given here, and it's not just only for RBI, guys. We have provided these guidebooks. We are providing these guidebooks for SEBI also, as well as for the NABARD examination. And the most important thing, these are absolutely free. Yes, these are absolutely free. आपको सिर्फ एक चीज करनी है. There is a link given in the description below. You have to click on this link and you will get these guidebooks that are absolutely free. And ऐसा नहीं है, कोई कंजूसी नहीं है कि सिर्फ RBI वाली डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. If you are appearing for all these examinations, you can download the individual guidebooks. Also, they are absolutely free. Now, coming to the topic of the day, the first question that I will be discussing you is on the National Tele-Manas initiative that has been launched. What is Manas? So Manas is basically mental health. Just give me a second, guys. Is mental health assistance and networking across states. That is Tele-Manas initiative, and it is launched at NIMHANS, that is in Bangalore. So National Mental Health Program, again the nodal agency there was also NIMHANS, that is Bangalore. Okay. So now I am asking you which of the following statements are correct about this Tele-Manas initiative. First part here is that Indian Institute of Information Technology, that's triple IT, is basically providing the technology support, whether it is providing technology support or technical support. That is important. Second point is it is launched under National Tele-Mental Health Program. The thing that I have discussed with you even in the starting of the lecture also, तो आपको पता चल गया second statement जो है वो right है. Second is it will be organized in 3-tier system, and the next is it is launched by state of Karnataka. So whether it is launched by some specific state or is it a national initiative? Okay, let's see how many of you know the answer here. So guys, if I talk about the answer here is option number C. That is only first and second statement is right here. Why these statements are wrong? Because it is not a 3-tier system. It is a 2-tier system in which this program will be organized. The very important thing is it is not launched by state of Karnataka. When I talk about state of Karnataka, so state of Karnataka launched the initiative that is E-Manas. So E-Manas initiative, based on which your Tele-Manas program has been launched, was launched by state of Karnataka, which is the first of its kind initiative on mental health program that has been launched by any specific state. So that's why E-Manas was launched by state of Karnataka, not Tele-Manas initiative. Coming about this Tele-Manas initiative, guys, it is an initiative under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, launched on Mental Health Day. ठीक है जी, launched under, मैंने आपको ये बता दिया Tele-Mental Health Program के बारे में भी है. Now these are the 3 points which need a quite important thing. You need a proper understanding. Aim here is that the program wants that free telemental health services should be provided all over India. Important is mental health services provided, that is consultation services, should be provided all over India. Then for that, the target here is at least, for that they want is that at least one telemental health center should be there in each state. Okay, that is the thing here. Each state और यूटी में एक center होना चाहिए, but services will be provided all over India. Now come the third point. networking of this, because it is an initiative under National Telemental Health Program, and here how many telemental health centers were going to be open? The answer was 23. So here again the network at present, it says the networking is of 23 telemental health centers of excellence. Target is to open at least one telemental health center, Telemanas cell, but network कितने mental health centers का है? 23 telemental health centers. These are the points that needs to be kept on mind, that yes, aim is to provide telemental health services all over India. Target to have Telemanas cell, one in each state or UT. Third important thing is, if I talk about networking of this at present, so networking here is, that is 23 center of excellence will be set up. These 3 points are very, very important to understand. Now coming here on technology and technical support, technology support, which means technology कौन देगा? Technology will be provided by Triple IT Bangalore, not IIT. It is Indian Institute of Information Technology, Bangalore. But when I talk about technical support, so technical support will be provided by IIT Bangalore along with NHRS, that is National Health System Research Resource Center. Now coming to the implementation, I have discussed in the question that it is a 2-tier system, not a 3-tier system. So what 2-tier system comprises of? First is state Telemanas center cells will be set up. The purpose is to train counselors and mental health specialists. तो at present उन्होंने बोला है सिर्फ 51 states और UTs के पास मानस cells हैं. It is going to be enhanced. Then tier 2 is basically specialization. Here is you are basically training some mental health conditions, but the second tier is talking about the specialist on, that is specialist at district mental health hospitals or medical colleges, and it says for physical consultations they will be conducted, but for virtual consultations they will also be using the eSanjeevani app. eSanjeevani initiative, again an initiative of government, which is basically to provide health services into the poor people, or to the people आप health services provide करना चाहते हैं digitally, that is the e-services. Now after that, the important is helpline number. So it's the fact that you need to remember. This initiative I have discussed with you, Telemental Health Program, the E-Manas initiative that I was discussing. Yes, it is an initiative of Government of Karnataka that I have discussed with you, which is the first of its kind mental health repository launched at any state in India. Now, coming to second question, guys, the thing that I was discussing in the beginning of the session. So, Ministry of Ayush has organized a special session on Ayurveda at 2047. Now, the question that in that they have highlighted about this Swastik program. I am asking which one of the following statements are correct about Swastik program. It is an initiative of National Institute of Science, Communication and Policy Research. Its objective is basically to instill confidence in the citizens regarding the scientific value of our traditional practices. The third point is the platform provides, that is the digital platform provides, that under this initiative provides information only in English and Hindi. So whether the information is provided only in English and Hindi, ठीक है जी, साइंटिफिक वैल्यू वाला पॉइंट ठीक है, या फिर इन्हीं ने इसको लॉन्च किया है. If I talk about the answer here, that is option number E, A and B, because the digital platforms under this initiative provides information not only in English and Hindi. The informations are provided in English, Hindi as well as the regional languages. ठीक है, so this I discussed with you. Now here important thing to understand is theme of this Ayurveda at 2047 is basic principles of Ayurveda for being healthy with special focus on old age persons and mental health. ठीक है, coming about this Swastik program, it is an initiative under CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Institute under that initiative is, that is National Institute of Science, Communication and Policy Research. Yes, objectives if I talk about traditional practices, that is conserve the practices, conserve our traditional practices. Then is instill the confidence among citizens regarding the value of traditional practices, as well as giving them, simplifying them the scientific feature of our traditional practices. ठीक है, कि उनको instill करना confidence कि that our traditional practices are scientific in nature. Now key features when I talk about, and I have discussed here, is digital platform services are provided. That is, it will be simplifying the content of the scientific validity. ठीक है, and the informations are communicated through the digital initiatives which could be provided. The information will be provided in English, Hindi and regional languages. So guys, this was all about the session. If you have liked the session, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and you can share the videos with your friend also. To get the access of the PDF, you just have to do one thing. Subscribe to the Telegram channel, the link for which is given in the description below. Along with that, guys, if you have any kind of topic you want me to discuss in the upcoming videos, you guys can tell me about that specific topic also. I will be really happy to bring out a video on that specific topic. Then, if you have other any doubt, you could drop me an email at hello@edutap.co.in. You could also have a call with us on this number, that is 81462 07241. So I hope guys the lecture is fruitful for you. Keep preparing, keep working hard. Wishing you all the best for your examination. Bye bye.